this will be the third question that we are going to discuss in today's class. The question says if A and B matrices are these two, we need to find the value of A and B if A plus B whole square is same as A square plus B square. So first thing that we are going to do is we are going to find A square here. A square is same as 1, 2, minus 1, minus 1 multiplied by 1, 2, minus 1, minus 1. Once again we are going to put arrows. 1 into 1 will be 1, minus 1 into 2 will be minus 2, 1 into minus 1 will be minus 1, minus 1 into minus 1 will be 1. Then 2 into 1 will be 2, 2 into minus 1 will be minus 2. Again 2 into minus 1 will be minus 2, and minus 1 into minus 1 will be 1. So we are going to get minus 1, 0, 0, minus 1. This is A square matrix. Now let us name this as equation 1. Now to find B square we need to put A, B, 1, minus 1. That is A, B, 1, minus 1. So once again we are going to put arrows. A into A will be A square, 1 into B will be B, A into 1 will be A minus 1, B into AB minus B, then B into 1 will be B plus 1. This is B square. Let us name this as equation 2. So if we add A square and B square, A square and B square, we are going to get 1 A square plus B square minus 1, sorry, A square plus B minus 1, then A minus 1 plus 0, this is same as A minus 1, AB minus B plus 0, so we are going to get AB minus B, and then B plus 1 minus 1, which is same as B. Now we need to find A plus B whole square. For that, first we need to find out is A plus B. So A plus B will be 1 plus A, 1 plus A, minus 1 plus 1 is 0. Again 2 plus B, minus 1 will be minus 2. Okay, so now we are going to move ahead with this. Now we need to find out A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square is equals to 1 plus A 0, 2 plus B minus 2, 1 plus A 0, 2 plus B minus 2. Now if we multiply these two matrices, once again we are going to put arrows. 1 plus A multiplied by 1 plus A whole square, 0 into 2 plus B will be 0. Again 1 plus A will be multiplied by this, we are going to get 0 and 0, so this element is going to be 0. Now we are going to multiply second row with first column. We will get 1 plus A multiplied by 2 plus B, and then we will multiply minus 2 with this element, so we will get minus 2 into 2 plus B, and this element will be same as 4. Let us make this, and now the question says we need to find the values of small a and small b, given that A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square. So we can equate equation 3 and equation 4. If we simplify this matrix, we are going to get 1 plus A whole square 0, and 2A minus 2B, 2A minus 2B plus B plus AB minus 2, and 4. Now if we compare A square plus B square with A plus B whole square, we are going to get, first thing, say this is some P is equal 1 plus A whole square is equals to A square plus B minus 1. Then we are going to get A minus 1, say this is Q, is 0. Then we are going to get 2a, say this is r, which is 2a minus 2b plus b minus ab minus 2 equals to ab minus b, and we are going to get s as b equals to 4. So if we look at q and s, we are going to get a is equals to 1 and b is equals to 4. Now we need to verify whether these two results are correct or not. So we need to put a as 1. Here we are going to get 2 whole square, which is 4, and then we are going to put a and b here, which will result as 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled out, so your result will be 4 on both sides. Similarly, here you are going to get 0 in LHS and RHS. Hence the correct answer is a is equals to 1 and b is equals to 4.